Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, guys. This is going to be my Elliot Wave Count for pound yen, pound dollar, gold, and euro USD. But first of all, any views, opinions, or suggestions are expressed in this video do not constitute to trading or financial advice. So let's get started here on pound dollar. So pound dollar has obviously been moving more so towards the upside. I did mention that we got to that 618, which we did. We're getting that sort of retracement back down, and then we've started this sort of five-way bull run, and we're getting the A, B, C here, and then we started to sort of move towards the upside, breaking market structures as well. So it's essentially what we've gotten so far from last week. You know, we've gotten a straight nice, obviously this obviously from some couple of weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, from last month. Nice sort of bullish movement in five waves: one, two, three, four, five, and then we have a 1, 2, and then this could be a three, but wave three we usually hit the 1.618, and this doesn't hit the 1.618, so this could just be an A, B, and a C, and we're actually done, and this could be it, where we could actually start to see the market continue moving towards upside. We hit that 50% retracement, and we've also broken market structure. So I'm just going by what I'm seeing. As you can see from this green line that I put in, it's a 1.25 level as well. So we hit that psychological whole number level, which is very, very important as well. So all in all, I genuinely think that we are going to start to see some more upside coming in, and this is going to continue going towards the upside. We'll probably come towards these levels again before we start to see a deeper correction coming in, before you can get back up towards the upside again. But with that being said, that's obviously the bullish vibes, if that makes sense, where we're sort of going. Although this has been an A, B, and a C, this could still be an A, and then we could just be in a sort of move like this towards the upside. Then we could come back down, and then that could be the correction finished, and then we go up. So just be very, very careful. Take it one step at a time. Don't look to just get in stupidly and just thing. Um, Place dumb little trades. Wait for it to give you the perfect setup. In my opinion, just be very, very careful. I'm not saying that this is five waves or whatever it is, but I'm just saying we've gotten some sort of break. We could see maybe a possible small correction coming in before we could possibly see market continue moving forward. Once that happens, I'm going to be looking to get involved in that and see what happens once there's obviously price action confirmation. But if there isn't any price action confirmation, yeah, don't get in. Overall, I assume that we are going to be continuing moving towards the upside, and we're just going to see where this one takes us. So that's pound dollar. So let's go into pound yen. So pound yen is obviously on the higher time frame. We are currently we finished the wave two here. We finished off that wave three, and we're starting this bigger wave for correction. Now, this wave for correction could possibly be going sideways, because this one was quite sharp. So we could, be getting some sort of sideways movement coming in somewhere here. That's on a higher time frame. But in terms of the lower time frame, we got something nice quite here. So this could be a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. Or this could just be an A, B, C, and this could be something else like here, bang, 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 and then we continue going down again in three waves, and then we just go back up again. I don't know, something like that. But all in all, I'm off this chart. I'm not going to be looking at it. I'm just going to be just monitoring it in the sense where I'm not placing any trades. I'm not going to be placing any trades on this. Just let this one plan out and see what happens. It's just moving, yeah, weird. So yeah, for me, stay out of this one. Um, Euro USD. So Euro USD is basically moving the same concept as pound dollar. So I am expecting more upside to come in, since we have hit that sort of level towards the downside. So from here to here, as you can see, we've got that 618 as I mentioned last week, and we're getting that sort of bullish movement coming back in. So what we're going to see is essentially more movement coming towards the upside, unless the actual wave here, which is in three waves, 1, 2, 3, has finished, and this is the trigger for us to go down, and that's it complete. That's also a possibility as well. I'm mainly going to be just focusing on this basic trend line right here. I want the market to kind of come into this trend line, do some sort of wick rejection, you know, have a lot of volume, and then end on a nice pin bar to give me my entry to go down. So we haven't hit that trend line yet, and in terms of Fibonacci retracement, we haven't even hit 50% yet. We're on the 30, and usually the wave B goes to about, 50 to 61.8. Now this could essentially be, an easy 1 2 3, and then we could get an A B C here, and then this goes up one more time and then we shoot down. Or basically this could just basically be the first wave of the W's on A, B, and a C, W. Then we're getting this sort of side wave movement here to then go up one more time and then give us that short. So just be very, very careful. We will be going towards the upside. Oops. There we go. Um, yeah, we're gonna be going towards the upside. Just gonna see what happens there. But yeah, man, I just don't look to get involved in this one. But I would say short term, in terms of where we're going, we are possibly gonna come down here, go up here, take out these highs, possibly then correct again. We could be moving sideways, or basically the wave X has already been completed, and this is it right here. So this is a 1 2 3, and this is a 1 2 3, and we're getting a 1 2 3 towards the upside, and that's it. And then we shoot towards the downside. Yeah, so same sort of pursuit as pound dollar, in the sense that we're going towards the upside for it to eventually drop off. So just be very, very careful. We have made three waves here nicely, so we could be in a correction here, so just be careful. But short term towards the upside, long term just like pound dollar, bearish. So let's go on to gold. Um, so gold has obviously been moving a bit strangely, I would say. I'll be honest, I didn't necessarily make any money off of this. I actually lost money off of this, but that's just part of the game. You just have to keep it moving forward. So I'm taking my time back off with gold, but gold has been moving possibly in a nice, you can say a 1 2 3 4 5 right here, and we could have an A B C coming over here before we then start to see some move more, some move we're about to see the market move more towards the downside, before we then start to see one more push up. Now, if for example this is it of the wave 4, and since this was sharp, and this was quite sharp as well, so I'm under the assumption that we aren't necessarily just finished with this correction yet. This is gonna probably continue on for a little bit, um, as this is a 1 2 3, we're getting for that wave 4 coming in, and then eventually the wave 5. um, but we I mean, this could basically be, a 1 2, this is a 3 4, and then this could be a 5, but all in all, with gold, just look to buy it, right? Buy it, for me personally, is just a safer bet. But we are possibly in a correction, right? So we could be in a 1 2 3 right here. This could be the 4, then a 5, and then finish off that higher wave 3 degree, and then we're going to see what happens. But at the same time, just be very, very careful, because 1 2 1 2, and this could also be a 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Could this be the wave 4, then a wave 5, and then wave 3 will continue somewhere up here. Wave 4 will then continue. So we are in that wave 3, coming towards the end of wave 3 slash 4 sort of area. Okay, so just be very, very careful with this. But I am, in terms of where I see this, the market in terms of going, um, this has given us a nice, not the perfect, but it's a 1 2 3 4 5, and this gives us a 1 2 3. So we could expect more downside coming in. I'm going to be under the assumption, so long as it doesn't break the 50% and we stay above this, that could be the wave 3 here. This could then be the wave 4, and then we count up for that fifth wave up here to complete the wave 3. So this could be a B C, and we come down and that's it, or it could give us a B C, then go in three waves again, do another side wave movement, and then wave 4 will end somewhere here, and then wave 3 coming. But I'm only saying, the reason why I say this is going to be very, very long is just because this was quite sharp, and usually if this one's sharp, then this one's long. If this one's sharp, then wave 2 will be long. So just be careful when trading gold. It is in a bit of a tricky situation. We have, hitting all-time highs and things like that. So just be very, very, very careful. But I hope you guys do like my video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. For all those people that are interested in mentorship, you guys will have access to my private Discord. The link for that could be found in the description blocks down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys until the next one. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.